In the video today, we're going to be looking at how you can create a digital avatar or a clone of yourself using a program called HeyGen. HeyGen is an online platform that allows you to create human-like avatars. So with HeyGen, creating AI avatars has never been easier. So it's ideal for content creation, personalisation, animation. HeyGen allows you to produce videos without the hassle of major video production. You can create AI avatars or a digital twin just like this. Hi, this is my digital twin and I was created using HeyGen. By creating an AI avatar of yourself, you can use it to create videos and give team updates, make announcements and use it for training and so much more. You can also create video avatars of other people within the organization, but of course you need to have their permission. You can sign up for their free account to test out the video avatar feature. At the time of recording this video, HeyGen will give you one custom video avatar for free. Or if you're looking for the best plan, there are a number of options that you can see here. Now, the paid version will, of course, give you extra features. And you can see here that it will give you unlimited video generation, better quality, and I'll include a link in the description below. To create a video avatar, you need to select the avatar button here. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the video avatar feature where we can create our own digital twin. Now, you notice on the right-hand side, there is also an option here that you can use to create a video using a photo avatar. So let's have a quick look at this first. And here you can see there are a number of photos that you can use to create your video avatar. Now, I do have a separate video on this, so if you're interested in learning more about how you can create a video using a photo, I'll include a link in the description below. Today, we're going to be focusing on the video avatar feature, so let's hit create. Okay, so I'm just going to hit pause. So this is Joshua, the co-founder and CEO of HeyGen, giving us a short introduction and demo. You can play this if you want, but I'm just going to hit get started. You can choose from two different types of video avatars. So here you have the still version, and this is most commonly used for talking head type of videos, or you can use the motion version, where the person is moving or maybe in front of different backgrounds. Okay, so let's select the still version. Here you can see there are a number of key points that you need to consider when you're filming yourself. So the video needs to be between 2 minutes and 5 minutes. It needs to be in the well-lit area as well as high resolution. And you need to be able to look directly at the camera. And between each sentences, you need to make sure that you pause and then your mouth is closed. And if you're making any gestures, just make sure that they're generic gestures and your hands are kept below your chest. And now you can use the webcam for testing, or you can upload your own footage, either taken on your phone or camera. But you just want to ensure that you've got pretty good quality video as well as audio when you record your video. The digital twin not only clones you, but it also clones your voice as well. So you need to make sure that both the audio and the footage is of high quality. Now I've already recorded myself, so I'm going to select upload footage. And here you can select to upload your file from a Google Drive, or you can upload it from your computer. And then once you've uploaded your video, you just need to complete this checklist here to confirm that you've met the requirements. And the next step is that you need to record your consent by reading out a script and providing HeyGen with permission to use the avatar to create your digital twin. Now, if you're creating this on behalf of someone else, like another team member or a senior manager, you might want to get them to pop over to complete this process immediately after recording, as this is a live recording and you want to be able to upload the consent on the spot. Now, once you've completed the consent process, HeyGen will start to process your video. Now, for a 2-minute sample, it probably took about 10 minutes for it to load, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to speed up the process. Your avatar will now appear here, so select the video and hit next. You can create different types of avatars depending upon your use case. I'm going to create a separate tutorial on how you can use personalized video messages very shortly, and I'll include a link here once I've published the video. But for now, let's hit next. To create the video, select Create with AI Studio, and here you need to select from the specific format that you're after. So that might be a landscape mode or a portrait mode. Now, as I'm creating corporate style videos, I'm going to select landscape, and this will bring you into the AI Studio. Now, under script, HeyGen will automatically give you a sample script that you can see here, and you can also type in your own script. So let's just do that now. And then once you've typed in your script, to listen to the recording, just hit the play button here. Hi, this is my digital twin and I was created using HeyGen. Now you can make some modifications to your audio recording if you like. So let's just click on the ellipsis here. And here you can see there are a number of additional options that you can use to adjust your recording. So for an example, you might want to change the speed or volume. And now you can also add in additional scripts into your video by clicking on the plus icon here. Or you can add in your own recording as well as upload an audio file from here. So HeyGen is a video editing tool where you can create videos using their templates. So let's click on the template button here. HeyGen has quite an extensive library that you can go through depending upon your use case. So for an example, if you're creating learning and development videos, just click on the button here. And there are a number of templates that you can use. There are also explainer video templates that you can use. So depending upon your use case, you just need to find one that meets your requirements. You also have the option of adding in some text. So if you click on the text button here, you can see here that you can add in text to your video. You can also add in different elements. So for an example, if you're wanting to include icons, images, as well as videos, or if you have other digital assets, you can also upload them here. And then once you're ready to finalize the video, you can select the preview button here and preview your video. Now, under the preview feature, the AI avatar will only play as an audio recording. So the video animation will not be available until after you hit the submit button. On that note, let's hit the submit button. And here you can rename your file and select the video output. Now, depending upon the length of your video, it might take a few minutes for it to load. However, because I've just created a 3-second video, it was super fast. So let's now have a look at the video. Hi, this is my digital twin and I was created using HeyGen. So I did a pretty good job in terms of replicating my voice and mannerism, which is what you want to see when you're creating a digital twin of yourself. And you can always go back and redo the avatar. You can also create different versions of yourself. So for an example, with a different outfit or hair as an example, you can create different avatar templates for future use. And then from here, you can select download and download your video. This is such a great tool to have in your toolkit if you want to create videos on demand. And if you've ever created training videos or corporate videos before, you know the time and effort that's involved in creating the content, and this is such a huge time saver. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how you can create videos using a photo avatar, I'll include a link to a video here for you to check out. Now, let me know in the comments below how you plan to use this feature. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.